Morning friends of class 12 science. Today we are learning a new topic, that is torque on current carrying loop. Okay, what is torque? Torque is something which is having a rotational effect. And how do we calculate torque, or what actually we are doing? See, this is a current carrying loop, rectangular shaped. It is kept like this. It's not kept like this. It is kept somewhat tilted like this. Inside a magnetic field, north pole and south pole of a magnetic field. Now what will happen when different forces are acting on this loop? It will have a rotational effect. It is going to either rotate clockwise or anti-clockwise. Okay, so what do we need over here? The previous thing that you should know is Lorentz force on a straight current carrying wire. आपके पास में एक वायर होता है, स्ट्रेट कंडक्टर होता है, उसको आप मैग्नेटिक फील्ड में रखते हो, तो उस पे कितना फोर्स लगता है? द फोर्स ऑन इट इज IL क्रॉस B. व्हाट इज I? करंट फ्लोइंग थ्रू द कंडक्टर. व्हाट इज L? लेंथ ऑफ द कंडक्टर. एंड व्हाट इज B? B is the magnetic field. Okay, so this equation you must be knowing, and one more thing you must be knowing is the concept of torque. How do we calculate torque? Torque is calculated by this simple method: force multiplied by distance between the forces. If I have two forces acting like this, equal and opposite, then I have to take any one force over here, and the distance between the force, I have to multiply it with the distance between the forces. So here the system is, let me explain. This is rectangular loop A, B, C, D. The current is flowing from D to A to B to C and then back to D. This is the direction of current. Okay, what is length of this loop? It is L. And what is the width of this loop? It is equals to B. Clear? This is the view when you see it from the front. If you see it from the top, the bird eye view, that will be this. See, this magnetic field is this magnetic field. This loop, when you see from the top, you will not be able to see the complete loop, but you will be able to see only this length AB. ऐसे ये loop है, ठीक है? You can see A, B, C, D. But when you see it from the top, you will just see AB, and the remaining part of this will be hidden. Okay, so what you see in bird eye view, this is for A, and this is B. This is not the magnetic field. This is A, this is B. Same as this is A and this is B. Alright, this is the magnetic field. Now, force F1 that acts on wire AD. Force F1 acts on AD. F2 acts on AB. F3 acts on BC. And F4 acts on DC. What will be the magnitude of F1 and F3? F1 and F3. Apply the equation, current into length into magnetic field. So F1 and F3, F1 and F3, current into length into magnetic field into sine theta. What is theta? Theta is the angle between direction of current and magnetic field. Okay, what is theta? Theta is the angle between direction of current and the direction of magnetic field. This is direction of current upwards, this is direction of current magnetic field like this. So what is exactly theta? Theta is equals to 90 degrees. Current ऐसे ऊपर है, this is magnetic field, the angle is 90 degrees. So theta equals to 90. F1, F3, do they have same current? Yes. Do they have same length? L, L. Yes. Are they in the same magnetic field? B, yes. Theta is same for both. Upward current, the magnetic field. This is downward current and magnetic field. Again, for this wire, force F3, this wire, force F1, all the things are same. So the forces will also be equal. Direction alag honge, but the forces will be equal. What is value of theta? Theta is 90. So F1 and F3 are equal in magnitude. Because theta equals to 90, sine 90 is equals to 1. So what is F1 and F3? It's equals to I into L into B. Okay. Now calculating force, the direction of forces, hai na? F1 or F3, their directions. How to find the directions? By this rule, L cross B. First, take your right hand, keep your right hand in direction of current. although vector हमने L के ऊपर लगाया, but we'll be keeping the hands in direction of current and then moving the fingers towards direction of B. So this is L, direction of current, right hand, direction of B. कहाँ है B? इधर है. So keep the hands like this, close the finger towards B. B उधर है ना? So turning the fingers towards B and the thumb points inside. So what is direction of force? Direction of force is inside, cross. Here the current is in downward direction. So keep the right hand like this. Where is the magnetic field? Magnetic field is over that side. So keep the hand like this. Here direction of current, magnetic field. ठीक है, उंगलियों को I के डायरेक्शन में रखा, फिर B की डायरेक्शन में ऐसे मोड़ दिया. Thumb point outwards. So F3 will be in outward direction. Got it? Now F2 and F4 again will be equal because same current, same length, same magnetic field, same angle. Okay, so what is F1 and F4? They are equal and opposite. I, B, B, sine beta. Direction. Keep the fingers in direction of current. अभी मैंने कैसे बताया था आपको? It is not like this, it's like this. So keep fingers of right in direction of current. Close the fingers toward direction of magnetic field. Magnetic field कहाँ है? इधर है. Current कहाँ है? ऐसे. Fingers folded completely. Thumb shows downward direction. So F2 is in downward direction. F4 downward. ऐसे गया current, ऐसे गया, फिर ऐसे आ रहा ना यहाँ पे. So keep the fingers of right hand in direction of this current, just like this. Close the fingers towards magnetic field. इधर है. The force is upwards. Got it? So you can see these two forces, F2 and F4, they are equal? Yes. They are opposite? Yes. Are they acting on the same body? Yes. Are they acting on the same line? Yes, they are acting on the same line. Line of action. समझते हो ना? Line of action. For F2 and F4, line of action is same. So what will happen? They will mutually cancel out each other. They will mutually cancel out each other. That means forces will be there, but they will mutually cancel out. They will not have any effect. Torque भी नहीं बनेगा इससे क्योंकि line of action same है. F1 and F3, do they have the same line of action? One is acting here, inwards. One is acting here, outwards. So their line of action are different. दोनों एक ही लाइन में नहीं है, अलग अलग लाइन में. ये दोनों forces एक ही लाइन में, ये दोनों forces अलग अलग लाइन में. So for these two, line of action is different, and so they will constitute a torque. So first thing, draw the diagram. Second, calculate F1, F3, calculate F2, F4, mutually cancelled. Now calculating the torque. What is the formula to calculate torque? Force into distance. Okay. So what is the force acting on this? ILB. So what is the force? ILB. And now finding the perpendicular distance between the forces. Bird eye view को देखो. This is the bird eye view. AB. ठीक है. अभी आप force F1 को यहाँ से देखोगे तो ये कैसा है? Inside. If you see it from the top. If you see this same force from the top, what you will see? F1 is upwards, F3 is downwards. ठीक है ना? It's like this. Let me show you. This is force inside and this is force outside. Inside and outside. If you see from the top, then the forces will turn like this. देखो ध्यान से. Okay. This is up, this is down. This is up and this is down. अरे यार कैसे? Up and down. Sorry, inside and outside, and this is inside. Inside, outside. Top से देखो, ये हो गया ऊपर, ये हो गया downwards. Okay. Now, force is F1 and force is F3. ILB and the distance between them. See, you can. This is F1, this is F3. This is the distance between the forces. How to calculate this distance? What is length of AB? Length of AB is equals to B. And what is the angle between magnetic field and direction of current? It is beta. Beta लिया था ना? Angle between direction of current and direction of magnetic field. What it is? Equals to beta. This is beta. This is also beta. What is this length? This is B. So this is B. This is beta. This becomes B cos beta. This becomes B sin beta. What is our distance? It is B cos beta. So multiplying this by distance r, which is equals to b cos beta. Okay, now the mathematics, I, L and B taken together, then b cos beta. What is L into B? L into B. L into B is nothing but the area of this loop, L into B. So what is written in the place of LB? It is A. What is A? A is the area of loop. Now, come in the diagram. What is this vector A? This vector A shows the area vector of the loop. Area vector. Yaad hai na? If this is my palm, this is the area vector of the palm. Area vector is perpendicular to actual area. अगर ये area है तो area vector इसके perpendicular होगा. So if this is the area vector, this is the area, this will be the area vector A. किसका area? किसका area vector है ये? Loop का area vector है. A, B, C, D का. Okay. What is the angle between area vector and magnetic field? It is alpha. Clear? And you can see alpha plus beta equals to 90. Alright. So what is beta equals to? Beta will equals to 90 minus alpha. So here take cos beta as cos 90 minus alpha. What is cos 90 minus alpha? It is sin alpha. Okay. Now what is I into A? अब यार ये B sin alpha I into A की जगह मैंने M लिख दिया. M क्या होता है? M is known as magnetic dipole moment. Just like electric dipole moment. याद है इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल मोमेंट इन इलेक्ट्रोस्टैट्स, इट इज 2 into Q into L. Here in case of magnets, if you have a bar magnet, like this, then how to calculate the dipole moment of this magnetic dipole? Either north pole है, the south pole है, north pole south pole. Strength of north pole, strength of south pole, Qm, the distance between them, 2L. Okay, but you don't have a magnet like this, you don't have a permanent magnet, you have an electromagnet. You have a electromagnet like this. How to calculate the magnetic dipole moment of electromagnet? It is simple. I into A. What is I? I is current. What is A? A is the area. Current into area. So what is current into area? It is a magnetic dipole moment. So here I into I have taken it equal to M. So what is the torque? MB sin alpha. Finish. MB sin alpha. What is M? Magnetic dipole moment. What is B? Magnetic field. And what is sin alpha? It is the angle between magnetic dipole moment, यहाँ पे area vector और magnetic dipole moment का एक ही direction होता है. You can see M, I into A. So if A is a vector, then and then only M will be a vector. So whatever is direction of A, same is direction of M. So here in place of A, I can also write M. So alpha, what is alpha? Angle between magnetic dipole moment and magnetic field. So tau is equals to M cross B. Okay? This is expression of torque. Now there is something else. If in this case there is only one turn, अगर ऐसे कई बार ऐसे लूप को लपेटा, एक बार, दो बार, तीन बार, चार बार, पांच बार, छह बार, n times I have wound the loop, then it gets multiplied with n times. Okay, this torque gets multiplied with n times. M is equals to n into I into A. Okay, final equation is this. Useful numerical form is this. ठीक है ना, अभी ये कैसा आया? Tau is equals to बीना sin alpha. ऐसा आया. Basically see, tau is equals to M cross B, which is M B sin alpha. What is M? M is equals to N into I into A into beta into sin alpha. We can write it in simple words, B I N A sin alpha. ठीक है, याद रखने में इजी होगा. There is a nice girl known as बीना. तो बीना आपको आके क्या बोलती है? बीना आपको आके बोलती है टॉर्क की वैल्यू. अपना नाम डाल देती है उसमें. तो टाउ इज इक्वल्स टू बीना साइन अल्फा. Okay, the torque acting on this. See, this is a big derivation. What you need to know in this derivation is the diagrams number 1 and number 2. then calculating force F1 and F3, then calculating force F2 and F4, then calculating the torque. Torque में एक और चीज calculate करनी है, that is the distance between the forces, and then finally the equation of torque. If you want this dipole moment to be written, you can write, otherwise you can skip this, because dipole moment में इस derivation में नहीं आता है, it is a separate topic. Clear? Now listen, copy down the same, because this is a very, very important derivation. It is asked in the board examinations as it is, and the next topic that we are going to learn is also dependent on this. Thank you very much.